Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Happy Day Crafts. Today I'm here to share with you guys a small but interesting little haul that I did on Amazon. This is all going to be mostly for UV resin type of projects. The first of which I'm going to share with you guys right now is this 18 color resin from Let's Resin, and it's the macaroon die resin die set. And it comes like this. So it's 18 solid colors, and basically you can use them on epoxy resin, or you can use them with UV resin as well. And there's 0.35 ounces in each bottle. They're non-toxic and odorless, and it basically gives you information and their social medias and stuff like that there, so you can check them out. Now I will do a little disclaimer. This is the second time I've done this video, because the first time for some reason my mic was off, so I didn't want to have to go through the whole voiceover process, so I just figured I'd redo it, do it again. So here we go. So it gives you this little card, and it says thank you on the front of it for the purchase. It gives you information about removing air bubbles if you end up dealing with that kind of a problem, things of that nature. It also gives you a 20% off coupon, which I guess you have to let them, you know, contact them, and then they'll send that to you. So super cool. I'll definitely be using that. So these are what the bottles look like. They're a nice size. Like I said, 0.35 ounces on each one. And I'm just going to take them out one by one and just give you the colors. So we have green, light blue. And I am going to be swatching these out in their own independent video. And I'm going to be mixing them with the UV resin that I have, as well as with the other resin that I have, the white one, just to see like what the colors look like on both. So if you're interested in seeing how the contrast is between both products, then definitely check that out. I'll be doing that sometime this week. So we also have blue. We have watermelon red. I think this is a better way of showing it to you guys. Violet. These are the colors of the others. We also have a pink. Once you mix them well, they turn more of a pastelish kind of color. Pastel kind of color. The white. We have this yellow. We also have this purple. We have black. We have apple green. We have light purple. We also have gray. I would have loved to have seen that gray, instead of that gray, or maybe a brown or a brownish kind of color. That would have been cool. Also this orange, red, fluorescent yellow. This is another color that I'm like, but you never know what you can apply it to. We also have this light green and this ginger yellow. So these are all the colors. They look really, really vibrant. They sound very liquidy. So hopefully it'll be very easy to apply. This is something that'll be new to me. So far I've only worked with like powder pigments, and these are the ones that I kind of use. So this is one. Super excited to work with some projects with this. Like you guys, my goal here is to apply what I'm learning on the UV resin into my mixed media projects. So hopefully very soon I'm going to be able to like create a little hybrid or something that is inclusive of both. I'm really enjoying working with these resins, you guys. This has been so much fun. I can get lost doing it for hours and hours and hours, and that is awesome. Okay, so before I open this box, this box came like this, so it came kind of crushed, but the insides were okay. And this is a UV resin kit, okay, and it says enjoy your craft, your creative time, be imaginative and have fun, non-toxic. It does have bonus tools inside. and we'll see how easy to use it is in an upcoming video where I try it out. And basically you can use UV resin to make like jewelry and fill molds, to DIY type things. If you haven't seen my butterfly, UV resin butterfly video that I just put up today, definitely go and check that out. I do like 3 different butterflies. And in the follow-up video, I have more butterflies and other things that I'm going to be incorporating into it. So there's going to be a part 2 where I actually put everything together and create like an actual project with it. So I'm super excited to see where that's going to go, because I haven't started it yet. I just know what I want included. So, but yeah, but anyways, back to this, you guys, back to this. So you can do all different types of stuff with this. You do need a UV lamp, or you can put it in direct sunlight if you're fortunate enough to actually have like, you know, direct sunlight facing your window or something like that, or maybe the front of your house. Then you can use this stuff outside. So this actually came in a Ziploc bag, but again, this is my second take doing this video, so I put the Ziploc bag somewhere, I'm not sure quite where. So these are the tools, and this is the bottle. So it comes with the topper, which you can switch out. It has a very small hole. I don't know if you guys can see that. Kind of like the other UV resins as well. And this is a hard type. It says fast curing, self-degassing, and high gloss. There's exactly 200 milligrams in here, I think. Let's see. It arrives sealed, so if your seal is broken, then it could have popped in transit, but it does come sealed. Oops. And then you basically take this off and put this on, and then it gives you some cautionary advice there. And the resin that I currently use, the UV resin that I currently use, is this brand right here. This is like my 3rd bottle of this product so far. Once I kind of upgraded my lamp, I got better results with it. So at first I was kind of like discouraged from it, but I kind of knew that it was my lighting more so than it was the product itself. At least that's what I was hoping for. But it actually got better once I improved my lamp. But yeah, so we got that. It comes with this little package of 4 tools, 4 silicone tools, some little finger hats. I laugh every time I see these, you guys. Most of you might have my humor, but basically it's these little finger hats, and I don't think I'm gonna be using them for that though. I might be using them to do something else, some other kind of DIY project, but we'll see. But it comes with these tools as well. So we have this tool here, which has like a pointy end, and then it's got like the spatula kind of side, the flat end. And we have this one, which is kind of like a spoon. You guys can see that. It's got a scooper on it. And then again with another scraping bit on the end. Another pointing tool, the little scalloped side there. And then another one of those mixing spoons. This one I believe is it smaller? Or they're exactly the same thing. Yeah, they're exactly the same thing. So you basically get 2 and 2. Okay, so you get that, and then you get these 4 little cups. Okay, and these are like the little medicine cups. So you get 4 of these, and they don't have any measurements, but they definitely do assist in pouring out your resin and mixing resin as well. And then I have 2 more of these. Love these little cups. Super cool. So that's what this kit comes with. The price is around $18.99, I think, so it's basically like 19 bucks. It also comes with, before I leave this behind, it also comes with this scratch and win, and basically you get either a percentage off or you get something off, and it's got their social media information there. And then this is the instructions for using their resin. So I've never used this resin before. I'm really excited to see how the end result turns out. And I'll be sharing with you guys in an upcoming video. Now the next thing that I have here is actually this is a 26-piece notebook mold set. Okay, so again, I did already unbox this thing in my original video. Everything came nicely packaged, and it was double packaged. There's another package in here where things kind of came separately. Oh, there goes the Ziploc bag. Things kind of came separately, but as I was showing you guys, I kind of put things in certain order. So we have approximately, well, not approximately, we have 5 pipettes. They come with this set. We have a whole bunch of popsicle sticks, and we have 2 spreaders or scrapers. We also have another mixing cup. This one goes up to 100 milliliter, and it's got the measuring on the side there. Okay, super cool. Then they also sent me 4 pieces. Well, the kit includes 4 pieces of these rings, and these are like the push rings that you push to push open, but these are really like hard to do. Like even to close it is like super hard. I don't even want to close it because it's just gonna be a pain in the butt to open it again. So I'm probably not gonna use these for that, and if I do use them, I'll use them as they are closed. I won't even try to open them. I'll just probably hang embellishments or something from them and do something weird like that. So that's what that brought. And let me just put these things back in my little cup, how I had them in there. So it brings a lot of pieces for the price. Let's keep that in view since we're still doing the same product here. It also brought this set of tweezers, little fine tip tweezers, just basic tweezers, nothing very special about it. But they do come in their own little independent packaging. And then here we have the notebooks. Sorry for the crinkling, you guys. Okay, so here, these are the 3 notebook sizes. And let me see if I can zoom out. Sorry you guys. Sorry for the camera shaking. Oh man, I'm gonna have to probably edit that out. Let's see how bad it is, and I'll see if I end up taking it out or not. Okay, you guys, so like I said, this is the second time I'm doing this video. If I have to do it a third, I think I'm just gonna put this stuff away. So this is A5, A6, and A7 sizes. Really big, really big. And that is roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 3/4 maybe, give or take. So that's that size. And then this size here is the second largest. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 7, right? Give or take almost 7, by like 6 and some change, almost 7 by 1, 2, 3. So by like 3 3/4, almost 4 inches across. And then here's the other size, which you can see in comparison to the largest, how big it really is. So this is a nice assortment. You can make all different types of book covers. I cannot wait, because this is gonna put me in a space, you know, in a mindset of making books again. And it's been a little while since I've done them, so I'm hoping that this is going to get my creative juices flowing, which I think it will, and I'll be coming out with a whole bunch of different styles, different versions, and new DIYs, new techniques, so on and so forth, you guys. So I'm super excited about that. Not to mention, I get to kind of bridge both worlds again with the mixed media as well, and seeing how I can incorporate some of the techniques I'm learning with UV resin into like my mixed media work and things of that nature. So really excited for that. And then the last thing for this particular haul here, there's gonna be this bag of molds. This brings 30 pieces, you guys. I think it was like $10 around there for all of these little molds. They are super cute. I'm gonna be doing its own like little video for them, so I'm not gonna go through all of them. I'm just gonna like randomly pick out a few. So we have like flowers, I don't know if you guys can see that too well. Like little domes, little circle domes. You have all different kinds of flowers. You have stars and moons. candy, we have roses, snowflakes, gears. Oh, those are flowers, I think. I'm not sure. Some of them look like gears, some of them look like flowers. We have little bowls, like all kinds of stuff. Ice cream cones, all different types of flowers, lollipops, little bunnies, different kinds of bowls, hearts, like all types of different shapes. I don't know what this one is. I cannot for the life of me tell, but I'm definitely looking forward to kind of playing with all of this stuff and kind of like making all different kinds of embellishments. We also have the alphabet in here, so I have to make like tiny little words, and we also have tiny little numbers somewhere if I recall correctly. And this is a lot, you guys. Like, this is a lot of different stuff. The reviews that I read on them were a little bit mixed, so I am kind of eager to see how they actually work for me, because like I said, the reviews were a little bit mixed. Some people loved this, some people hated it, so we'll see how it works out. I have no idea, but I'm hopeful. Very, very hopeful. So you guys, with that being said, I think that's about it for me and my haul. I hope that you guys will check it out. We'll check out the new projects and videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Again, I'm not steering away from my mixed media, you guys. I'm still going to be doing that. That is literally a part of my DNA at this point. But I am kind of diving into other things and, you know, trying different techniques and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this part of my creative process as well. As always, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Like, honestly, I'm all over the place, and you're definitely going to learn something here or there. I guarantee it. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Definitely give me your thoughts and comments down below in the comment section. And share this video. Share it on your social media. That'll be awesome. And don't forget to check out my community page. I'm always putting little sneak peeks of stuff that I'm doing. And that's where we also get to have, like, you know, we can engage in other types of conversations as well. So thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey. I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm super excited to play with these things and get creating and see what we come up with. And I will check you guys out later. Bye.